In lesson 15, it's composed of brief forms, derivatives, and then word ending bol, word beginning re. Okay. So, let's start from brief forms. Business, B, left S. Doctor, D, R. Any, N, E. What, O, T. About, A, B. Thing, think. Over it, then disjoint that. Value, VL. Than, over it, N. One, N. Next, for brief forms derivatives, things, thinks. Over it, and then hiwalay na left S. Thinking, over it, that. Kasi yung unang that niya is think, then for ing, another that. Anything, NE, over it, that. Once, and left S. Businesses, B, left S. Businessman, B, left S, M-A-N. Word ending bol is represented by letter B. Possible, P-O-S, ball. Available, A-V-A-L-B. Reliable, R-E-L, long I-B. Capable, K-A-P, ball. Terrible, T-E-R, ball. Valuable, V-L, ball. Favorable, F-A-V-R, ball. Sensible, S-E-N-S, ball. Dog ball, D-O-O, ball. Table, T-A, ball. Tabled, T-A, ball, D. Cables, K-A-B-S. Word beginning re is represented by R. Receive, R-S-E-V. Revise, R-V, long I-S. Reasonable, R-S-N, ball. Reply, R-P-L, long I. Research, R-S-E-R, J. Replace, R-P-L-A-S. Repair, R-P-A-R. Reception, R-S-E-P, shon, or ish. Receipt, R-S-E-T. Reappear, R-A-P-E-R. Rearrange, R-A-R-A-N-J. Reopen, ROPN.